So here's a better shot of what I was just talking about. That level right here, nothing's plumb anywhere on this whole thing, but that's how far away my whole phone and fingers, everything is probably, that's good 5 inches away. So that's a problem. The other thing that I see once I got that flue off is that none of these bricks are tied in to this course coming across here in the smoke chamber. That's a big no-no. Not in the back either. They just have the flue sitting here. No air gap between the flue and the front wall. Nothing. It doesn't really matter out on the outside of a fireplace, but when it's out, when it's outside like this. If you're in interior construction, you gotta have your brick, and then a little bit of an air gap, and then another roll of brick that your flue will actually sit on. And I'll show you that when we put this whole thing back together. But the other thing, they got these, the way they tried to bring this in to neck it down to the size of the flue. It's like a parallelogram. That's going that way. That's going that way. These walls are both still kicked that way. You want this thing to fan. I can't do it and hold the camera, but you basically want it to, start out down to damper. These walls of the smoke chamber are going to be at an angle like that, and gradually bring that front over and bring it towards the center until it's necked down to the size of your flue. Same thing on this side. This side will start this at an angle like this, and then slowly come over until it's square off the front, or close. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but and bring it down to the size of the flue. They got this thing. It's no wonder this thing was smoking all over the place. But I'll try and get some more shots here.